Make up a jevielo, Toboli, make up a jevielo, Toboli, the God Blanyaji, Toboli, the God Yoanyaji, Toboli, Mega Favila Zamenamo, Mega Favila Zamenamo, Nadena Hopela Siona.
Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel and welcome to Togo. Thank you guys for clicking. I really appreciate you all. Today we are making the most delicious tilapia light soup and fufu, and trust me, it's really delicious. I'm taking you all to the market to buy the items we are using for this recipe. Later we are coming back home to cook, and trust me, it's going to be amazing. The food is really good and you all are going to love it. Let's go to the market, guys.
Mega favila zamenamo, mega favila zamenamo, mega budget vielo, Toboli, mega budget vielo.
So we just got to the market and I want to buy some veggies. So I prefer these ones because it looks fresh. It's better than the other. These ones are old and this one is fresh. So that's 500 francs. It's not easy.
Wa nembe ma de kusibi ke biso de sensa aya u mi fra nembe kusibi ku nembe do ne sensa no fra le bi se mo do ne
So it's ça.
Oh ma te c'est ya mulu petri mulu.
So I got the okra for, I don't know, I'm still telling her to give me for 700, but she's still proving difficult. Right here.
It's alive.
But you are giving us just the small ones.
If it's big, you can get.
Oh, let me see the big one.
6 minutes.
Bonjour. Pour filer foufou. C'est pour filer foufou. Ça c'est combien? Ah.
Ça là c'est à 3 000. Tu vas faire ça à 2 000. Mais si c'est pour filer, faut pas prendre.
Et ici c'est combien?
Là-bas 2200. Je vais te faire ça à 2 000.
What?
Tu as l'autre qui est 1800. Je vais te faire ça à 2 000. Mais tu veux gros comme ça.
Tu dis pour filer foufou, c'est avec laquelle?
Je vais te faire ça ici. Ici, ça ne va pas tirer.
Laquelle?
Ici.
So I want to get some green pepper, 300. I will do some. C'est 300 là-bas. Ok. Je voulais crier. C'est petit. Donne à 200. That's 300 francs.
So finally I bought everything I needed for the recipe, and I'm heading home so that we can cook a delicious tilapia light soup and fufu together.
Make up a jejevielo, Toboli. Make up a jejevielo, Toboli. Nega glenhaji, Toboli. Nega nyuanyeji, Toboli. Mega favile zamenamu.
So this is the tilapia we are using today. I'll just go ahead and clean it up. Yeah, I got this tilapia from 2 different places. The smaller ones I got them here in Lome, and the big one I got it in Togo, and it was really affordable. I got 4 of these for like 2,000, and I got 2 of these for 2,800. The other one is really big, bigger than this. It's really fleshy. Yeah. So right now I'm just going to wash the fish and marinate it. Fish right here, and it's ready to be cooked. Yeah. So these are some of the spices I'm going to be using in the light soup. We have some black pepper, white pepper, thyme, and we have ginger, garlic, and red pepper. Later I will prepare the veggies as well. Yeah, so I'll just go ahead and prepare the spices that we need for this recipe. So right now I'm just going to wash everything and blend. Emily, what are you saying? Pepper, ginger, garlic. I'm training Heavenly to cook for you guys. Onion, good job.
Garlic.
Garlic. Awesome. So I'll cut in some onion, white pepper, and the rosemary. Now it's time to blend. We need the fish. I'm adding in some ragi cubes, and I'll add in some salt, spices. We are going to massage this. While this is boiling, I'll go ahead and prepare some veggies for the light soup. We have some okra, we have some garden egg and pepper. Yeah, just the basic veggies they use over here for light soup. There is no light soup without vegetables. If you are making light soup and you don't have veggies, please don't, because it's a taboo. Yeah, the vegetable really beautifies the soup, and yeah, it's just good. So light soup is very popular in West Africa. It's actually strange to a lot of people in Central Africa that you can eat soup this watery, especially for Cameroonians and Nigerians. But yeah, it is. You can actually eat watery soup and it's really, really appetizing. The first time I tried it, I didn't really like it either. I was like, it's too watery. How do you eat something like this? So each time they will prepare fufu and light soup, I'll prepare maybe like okra or something else to eat the yam fufu. But now, oh my goodness, it's just the best until you try it. Don't talk down on it, guys. It's really good. Okay, so my garden eggs are infested by caterpillars. Yeah. So I'll just go ahead and take the fix the okra as well. And you know, here in West Africa, they eat like whole okras like this, and it's actually strange to a lot of people. It's strange to a lot of people that how can you eat whole okras? You have to cut them into tiny pieces. That's not the case over here. So the fish has been boiling for some time. Yeah, so now I'm going to add in some blended fresh tomato paste. Now we will add in the rest of the spices. It's called light soup, so it has to be light. This is what my vegetable is looking like. You just go ahead and add in the veggies. It's a very simple recipe. Vegetables.
Wow!
Yeah.
Yes, Mama! Yes, Mama!
So to really spice up our light soup, I'm going to grind some black pepper. You don't want to overmove the fish because it's going to scatter. So let's go ahead and peel our yam. In Togo, fufu is made from yam, while in Ghana they make fufu from cassava and plantains. But here it's made from yams. And they have very good yams over here. Yeah. So I'm making yam fufu.
2, 3. Yam is ready. I'm just going to wait for it to cool, and I'm going to use my mixer to make my fufu. So I'm using my canoe mixer to mix my fufu. I waited for the yam to cool down a little before mixing. I did when it was too hot. I'm just breaking it into pieces so that it can mix properly. Just going to take it out. So our fufu is ready, and Go ahead and give it a try. So let's go ahead and try the food. Oh my goodness. Wow. Delicious. This is actually my favorite thing to eat. Yam fufu is just the best, you know. It's so delicious. Let me give the tilapia a try. Oh my god. Can you see this? Thank God for this food. It's so yummy. Wow. Let me know what your favorite thing to eat in Togo is. This is so good. So a lot of people like yam fufu over here. Like it's eaten in very important occasions. I can feel the sweetness of the garden egg. So juicy. So yummy. I can only use the mixer when I'm doing a portion to myself. The mixer I used in making the food. But if you are making a bigger portion, it's advisable to use a mortar or a community grinder. I can't really pound because I'm like on the second floor, it's not allowed. If I was like down floor, I would do the pounding. Yeah. This is so good. In case you visit Togo one day, make sure you try the yam fufu and thank me later. Yeah. Thank you guys so much for watching. I really appreciate you all. Please, before you go, make sure you like, you comment, you share, and you subscribe. I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and until next time, bye. Thank you guys.